Hi guys, today it's all about attention to detail and I will show you how to do deep crevices cleaning. Most of modern cars these days, they are very nice shaped, but this comes with a lot of crevices, a lot of corners and edges to be cleaned. This will not be done with a regular wash or a wash mitt. That's why I do it a different way. Let me show you how I do it and why I don't like to use brushes. We finished our pre-wash, you can learn all about it here. We have still a lot of crevices that are very hard to reach with a wash mitt. That's why I use some different and simple tools. And I don't like these brushes, and I will show you how. Why I'm not using these is in the first place they scratch the hell out of this piano black trim. Second of all, we have no surface contact area, which I have with my microfiber towel. We did a 50-50 on these two grills and we will show you later what's the difference between a proper cleaning and a brush cleaning. So I've tackled all the crevices. We are now going to continue with our wash. We're going to dry the car, we're going to bring it back inside of the studio and we will do a dark check. I showed you outside how to clean the crevices. Now we're back inside in the studio and I promised you that I will show you a different perspective. So I'm going to kill all the lights. And here we are. We have the part that I cleaned with the microfiber under this part, under this headlight, and it's all perfectly clean. When we go to the other side of the car, we go to the left light, we have cleaned it with a brush and you can see that we missed a lot of spots in a lot of corners. It's still dirty. Same counts for the grill. On this side of the grill, we cleaned it with a brush. You see in between, we have a lot of dirt accumulation that has not been removed. If we go to the other side, which we did in the video, all the sides are perfectly clean and I have no more dirt left. Think outside of the box and don't be afraid to look at it from another angle. This is my way of crevices cleaning. I hope you liked it. If you have another one, write it down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode. I'm out. Ciao.